Welcome everyone. In this video, we are embarking on an exciting journey that will transform the way you bring your design ideas to life. Ever wondered how seamlessly turn your Figma designs into fully functional websites? Today, I am thrilled to guide you through the seamless process of turning your Figma designs into fully functional websites using Adaptable. It's a platform where your Figma designs come to life effortlessly. It's more than just a tool, it's a B2B service designed to elevate your Webflow development game. Picture this: Webflow development, custom JavaScript, no-code development, analytics, all in one powerful package. And the best part, Adaptable is your go-to solution for reliable, quality-driven results, minus the hustle. But before we dive into the tutorial, let's take a quick moment to appreciate the caliber of work Adaptable has delivered. They've had the privilege of collaborating with some incredible brands, including Gretel AI, ChainGuard, Almanac, Airhouse, Group 9 Media, SolarWave. The websites catered for these esteemed clients showcase not only Adaptable's technical powers, but also their ability to tailor solutions for a diverse range of industries. It's a testament to the trust these brands place in Adaptable expertise. But what makes Adaptable truly stand out? It's about saving you from long and complicated hiring process, the challenges of borrowing engineering bandwidth, and the uncertainty of the developer market. Adaptable is your shortcut to signing up today, starting today, and seeing results in just a few days. No hopes. Just straightforward, effective development. The game changer is they offer a risk-free start. It means you can start without having any risk by just signing up like any other platform. No credit card or payment is needed. Upon signing up, your first month billing cycle comes with a unique offer, enabling you to experience Adaptable's capabilities with up to 1 page and 15 days of full support from the Adaptable team. So in 15 days of your first month, you can submit a project, get tangible work, review it, and analyze or evaluate the workflow of using Adaptable as well as the end result. Now here's the kicker: in a market where Webflow is hot and rates are soaring, Adaptable stands out with cost-effective subscription pricing that's 2 to 3x less than the competition. It's a transparent and predictable partnership with no contracts, ensuring a seamless collaboration. Today we are diving deep into the process, designing the website in Figma, submitting your Figma designs to Adaptable, and witnessing the final transformation. We've got it all covered, so let's get started. I'm gonna guide you through 3 straightforward steps that will transform your Figma designs into fully functional websites with Adaptable. First, I'll be designing our website using Figma. After that, we'll submit the design file for development in Adaptable. And finally, we can see the final result. Now first, I'm gonna start designing our website using Figma, crafting the blueprint that we'll soon submit to Adaptable for development. Watch as I speed through this website design process, skillfully balancing efficiency and precision, ultimately saving our valuable time. Keep an eye on the screen for essential details and tips. And there you have it. We have successfully finished designing the website. The website design is ready to take to the next step. Now we can submit the design file for development in Adaptable. I'll guide you through the process of delegating the design file for development in Adaptable. This step is where the magic happens. Adaptable takes your design and transforms it into a fully functioning website, seamlessly integrating your vision. Whether you are running an agency or managing a company, Adaptable is an excellent tool for building your custom websites. Using the app, you can seamlessly submit your designs and technical specs, and within a few days, you can get production-ready results. Plus, Adaptable offers a 15-day risk-free start period, allowing you to sign up and begin building without the need for an initial payment. What's intriguing about Adaptable is their flexible approach to design delegation, which they categorized into 3 strategies. The first strategy involves submitting a final design file, be it in Figma, SD, or Sketch. Adaptable takes it all. They even make it fully responsive for tablet and mobile, directly in Webflow if you provide only one screen size. No need for extra designs unless the mobile and desktop experiences significantly differ. The second option is starting with an existing Webflow site or purchasing a Webflow template. This allows Adaptable to reuse elements and components, efficiently building new features, pages, and functions. The third strategy is conversion and emulation. Adaptable can convert an existing site, for example WordPress, to Webflow, or emulate designs you visually reference, like competitor sites or WordPress designs you admire. This includes copying and modifying animations to fit your brand style. You can also mix and match these strategies. For example, you can start with a finalized design file for the foundation, reuse existing site components for new pages, or reference competitor sites for specific features. Before diving into the submission process, Adaptable has made it incredibly easy for you to get started. They provide checklists tailored to each delegation strategy, ensuring you know exactly what's needed before starting. If you're planning to submit a design file, download the design file checklist and understand the requirements beforehand. It is super easy to submit your design. Here's what you need to do. First, go to the Adaptable website using the link mentioned in the description to access the Adaptable website. You can start for free. In order to create an account, click Sign Up. After that, you can create your Adaptable account here. You can either continue with Google or you can use your email. So just enter your email address and just click on continue. After that, they will send an email to login. So check your email for a verification link and click continue. Now here complete your account details, including your first name, last name, company name, and you can select the company size and enter your website URL and just click on send to proceed. From here, they are asking how will you be delegating the design. Adaptable offers various options, including submitting Figma final design files, or you can use an existing Webflow site or template. So we have more options, and I'm gonna choose design file and then click on send. In here, they are asking to provide a public viewable link to your ready design. You can copy the Figma shareable link and paste it here. And here you can provide a detailed description of your project. And after that, click send. Now we almost finished creating the account, and Adaptable will now review your submission and verify your account. Now that we've successfully verified our account, and here you can see the dashboard. Upon entering, you will be greeted with a wealth of information from active projects to notifications and more. The first thing you're gonna see on the left hand side is your notifications. This is your activity log, so any updates made to project requirements by you, anyone on your team, maybe your project manager, you will see it all listed here. Now on the right hand side under needs attention, this is a similar list, but this one acts like a to-do list. So if there's any sort of action item that they require from you, like maybe they need you to approve a build or need you to provide a missing assist, anything like that, you will see it listed here so you know exactly what to do. Navigate the left side to access the projects, brands, and help, each serving a unique purpose. If you ever need guidance or have questions, you can get any help and guidance here. If you go deeper into the project page, let's say if you want to manage multiple projects, they have a Kanban view so you can see everything in a very organized fashion. Similar to what I mentioned earlier, a part of the to-do list has these response required indicators. These are tagged on projects so that you can quickly identify them. You can know when there is something you need to do, you can get it to them and there won't be any delays on your project. Now the first thing is you just have to onboard your brand. It is super simple. In order to add a brand, select brands here. Click add new brand and simply type the brand name. Once you hit save, the brand is registered to the account. Now we can start a project by clicking on New Project. And you will be guided through 4-step process to provide essential details about your website and project. So let's go ahead and select the brand that we added before and click Next. This initial step sets the foundation for your project. In the second step, enter your project title. I'll use Business Consulting Website. After that, you can choose the project type. I'm opting for Interactive Static Development and click Next. Now determine the size of your project. I'll go with small, it's just a single page. So click Next to move on. This is where you provide the project details. You can start from scratch or use a template for a smoother handoff. Now let's start with a template. In order to use a template, click here. Here you can find different briefing options for different projects. For this project, I select build from my design file here and click start with this one to proceed. As you can see, we can enter your design link, how many pages to build, content copying, assets, CMS, and special instructions. Now the Adaptable focuses excessively on development, so make sure you have your design ready for this stage. And at this point, you are just gonna wanna modify the template to the exact specifications regarding your project. So now I'm gonna enter these details. Here we can include our Figma design link. To do that, go back to the Figma design and copy the shareable link. And paste your design link here. Now specify the number of pages to be built. For this project, we will be working on 4 pages: Home, Services, Contact, and Help. Here you can simply use the content provided in your design file. This ensures consistency between your design and the final product. So I'm gonna write use content on design file. For assets, you can leave it default, allowing Adaptable to export images, videos, logos, and fonts directly from your design file. In the CMS, you might include specific instructions or details related to the content management system. For instance, if your design includes a testimonial section, Adaptable can set up the CMS to manage and display testimonials seamlessly. So here I'm going to remove unnecessary CMS and include testimonials. Finally, in the special instruction field, feel free to include any unique requirements or preferences you have. For example, if you'd like a specific animation, you can mention it here. In our case, you can include instructions such as all headings fade up. Once you've done, simply click Next. Now here we can see a preview of our project details. It is a crucial step to ensure everything aligns with your vision. Take a moment to review and make sure all specifications are accurate. And also we have the ability to edit them if you want. Once you are satisfied and everything looks perfect, it is time to move forward. Now hit Submit Project. Here you can see we've officially submitted our project to Adaptable. Now Adaptable's expert team transforms your design into a fully functional website within a few days. So after you submit the project, you can go into the project screen where you'll be able to manage everything from updating the requirements to speaking to your project manager about edits, revisions, scope changes, or any technical questions that you might have. Now let's dive into the fully functional website that Adaptable has expertly crafted based on our Figma design. As you can see, Adaptable has faithfully translated your design into reality, ensuring every detail is captured and every interaction is as smooth as envisioned. The animations, including the all heading fade up effect we specified, add a touch of sophistication to the user interface. It's truly impressive to see how Adaptable has turned our vision into a fully realized website. From design to development, the process has been efficient, reliable, and most importantly, tailored to our specific needs. Now that you've witnessed the magic of Adaptable, it is your time to elevate your Webflow development game. If you found this tutorial exciting and informative, don't forget to subscribe, like, and visit Adaptable's website for more information. Thank you for joining me on this incredible tutorial of bringing designs to life effortlessly with Adaptable. Until next time, happy designing and developing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.